Do you like it?
Right. Hey, look, it's Mayor. Who is this? The Mayor.
I think Grandpa picked that out for you. Can you say thank you to Grandpa
Thank you, Mama.
and Grandpa?
Is that Mayor? It's spicy. Cool. And I love this. Crayons. There's a crayon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Splash.
That's for the bathtub. It makes your water squishy.
I love it.
You love it? Oh no? It's alright.
What they love it.
I don't think Daddy will like that, no. What else is in there?
Hey, cake. What's this?
Eggs?
Eggs. How are eggs?
I think these are candy eggs.
These are corn candy eggs. And this is candy. Little mom. Coffee for mom. Sure.
Thank you. Is there anything else?
Oh.
Here, give that to me. That's for Ryan. That's money so that Ryan can go out and buy a toy.
Hey, check it out. Who's this?
I see.
It's sitting here. That's what I get. What's this says? What's this first two?
Hold on. Hey, baby Ryan. Hi. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.